Look, let's cut to the chase. You want to know which programming languages will get you paid in 2025? You don't care about fluff. You want the real deal. And here is the truth. Learning the right programming language is not about picking the hottest trend. It's about focusing on what actually matters. And in this video, I'll tell you exactly which languages to learn, why they are going to make you money, and how you can use them to stand out in 2025. Ready? Let's get this started. Let me bust a myth right here. It's not about knowing every programming language, it's about mastering the right ones. Here is why. Programming is a tool. It's like choosing a hammer. You just need the right one for the job. You don't need to know all the hammers. You need to be really good with the few that matters. So what languages will make you money in 2025? Let's break it down, shall we? First up, Python. You have heard it a million times, but here is why it's still king in 2025 and also in 2024. It's versatile as hell. From data science to AI to automation, Python's used everywhere. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, Python is essential for getting in the door of the hottest industries. Next, JavaScript. If you want to dominate the web, you need JavaScript. With the rise of frameworks like React and Node.js, JavaScript developers are always in demand. This is not going anywhere in 2025. Learn it and you're instantly employable. Go always known as Golang. It's fast, it's scalable, it's the go-to for building large complex systems. If you want to work with cloud infrastructure, microservices or backend systems, Go is going to be huge. Google uses it, so should you. Next, Rust. It's taking over the backend, especially in high performance applications. If you are building software where performance and security are key, think blockchain, gaming engines, or embedded systems. Rust is your go-to. It's the future of fast and safe. Last, TypeScript. If you know JavaScript but have not gotten into TypeScript yet, you are leaving money on the table. It adds static typing to JavaScript, making it scalable for big applications. If you're not learning it, you are going to get left behind. And let me tell you one thing before you master any of them. Here is the difference between a coder and a high-paid developer. Coders write code. High-paid developers solve problems. They use these languages to build real-world solutions that save companies time and money. So if you can position yourself as someone who knows how to leverage these languages to create value, whether that's building apps, automating systems, or optimizing processes, 2025 is going to be your year. So, number 1, pick one of these languages. Step 2, master it and apply it to solve real problems. Step 3, start building projects that shows your value. Don't wait for a job to come to you. Go create opportunities, because while most people are wasting time with outdated languages, you are going to be cashing in on the language that matter. Now, if you are still confused which language to choose, you can either book a call in the booking link attached below or message me over LinkedIn. I will respond back to you very soon. Thank you for your time. Bye.